Strange sounds and strange sounds in the sky, heard from around the world. A resident of Sweden was frightened by strange sounds coming from the sky. A resident of northern Sweden witnessed strange sounds coming from the sky, which frightened him. He made a video, which he posted on a social network. The witness witnessed the video last winter 2017, but it interested fans of everything unusual just now. The man said that he rode a snowmobile and quite unexpectedly, from nowhere, sounds of strange origin began to be heard. He stopped, turned off the engine, and listening, he realized that the sound was coming straight from the sky. According to the author of the video, it was something scary, but at the same time it charged me with some energy. The sound was not like anything earthly that I had heard in my life. He was very low and bass, my body vibrated to the beat with him. I stood for a very long time and tried to shoot on camera what this incomprehensible phenomenon is publishing, but unfortunately I didn't see anything. After watching the video, the opinions of users were divided. Different theories were put forward. They even remembered a strange mythical story with a local giant living in the mountains, who was crying alone. The earth is groaning. This is evidenced by people around the world, strange sounds coming from the sky. Over the past few weeks, a Google search for weird sounds has skyrocketed for weird sounds. Some say that the hum is a sign of Jesus returning, others say that this is due to weather wars, chemical paths, or a sign that the earth is troubled. I myself didn't hear the hum, but I'm sure that if I did, I would definitely be scared and would look for some explanation for the mysterious sound. In my research, I found various links, a YouTube video with eyewitness accounts, and collected information about various theories about strange sounds even reported by news stations, ABC, The Huffington Post. Where do these strange sounds come from, heaven or earth? As with any unanswered phenomena, there are many conspiracies and theories about what is the source of the strange sound from the sky. Some say that it actually comes from earth, not from heaven. And as with any dubious topic, some think it's a viral hoax to advertise a movie or scare people about 2012.